Hey, this your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. And make sure you take time out for the things in life that are really important to you. You still have to date your wife or your girlfriend. You still have to make time for your children. I know I'm one of them people who's a single track mind and very focused, and I am one that wants to work, and I'm not hitting the brakes. And a lot of times, you know, that can affect the family life and the family structure. So you have to make sure you take time out. My wife's taking me out tonight for our anniversary, which I don't know where we're going. She won't tell me. Says steakhouse, need to put on some slacks. But, you know, in my mind, I don't want to go. I want to work. But I had to sit back and talk to myself and tell myself, yo, bro, you need to chill out sometime. You have to make time for the people that are important in your life. And by me doing this, it makes my wife feel good. And it's probably going to be great memories for me. So take time out and just make sure you're not being a butthole about stuff. Make sure you take time out for the people that you're doing this for, okay, guys?